Hi, friends. For this one, see if you can find some shapes around your house. Maybe a grown-up can help you cut some out of construction paper or some other paper. Maybe you just have some other shapes laying around. Miss Erin has some shapes that she has, and the shapes we need are circles, one triangle, do you remember what this one's called? A square, and it can go either way. Rectangle, one rectangle. So go get your shapes and then come on back. Once you have your shapes together, we're going to sing this song. So we're going to get our circle first. Here we go. This is a circle. This is a circle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It goes round and round. No end can be found. It's a circle. It's a circle. What other things can you think of that look like this? What looks like this? Sometimes the sun, right? We can see the sun and it's a circle, isn't it? So there's our circle. Next, can you get your triangle? Here we go. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 3 sides that join to make a point. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Do you see the 3 sides? And there's our point. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. It's our triangle. Next, let's get out our square. Here we go. This is a square. This is a square. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 4 sides, all the same size. It's a square. It's a square. So we have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're all the same size. All 4 sides are the same size. This last one is the trickiest one, I think. It's extra tricky because our rectangles, right? Here's our rectangle. It can go like this, or it can go like this. But it doesn't matter which way it goes, it's still a rectangle. Here we go. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. How can you tell? How can you tell? It has 2 short sides and it has 2 long sides. It's a rectangle. It's a rectangle. So a rectangle has 4 sides, just like our square. That's something that's the same about them, right? But one thing that's different is that our rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Grown-ups talking about what's the same and what's different helps increase our vocabulary. It helps us better understand, and it's eventually going to help us recognize what is the same and different amongst our letters when we get ready to read.